Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two popular productivity tools, Superlist and Todoist. Both products are widely used for task management, product organization, and productivity enhancement. Throughout this video, we'll explore their features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and available alternatives to help you make a good decision as to which one works for you.
Let's kick this comparison off by taking a look at these programs' main features. Superlist features include task categorization. Superlist allows users to categorize tasks into customizable lists and boards, enabling efficient organization and prioritization of tasks based on project requirements. Customizable workflows. With Superlist, users can create custom workflows tailored to their specific project needs, streamlining task management and optimizing productivity. Team collaboration tools. Superlist offers collaborative features such as task assignments, comments, and file attachments, facilitating seamless teamwork and communication. Deadline tracking. Superlist helps users stay on top of deadlines by providing reminders and notifications for upcoming tasks and project milestones. Todoist features include
Smart Task Capture. Todoist offers smart task capture capabilities across multiple platforms, allowing users to quickly add tasks via email, browser extensions, or voice commands. Project templates. Todoist provides pre-made project templates for common tasks and workflows, saving users time and effort in setting up new projects. Productivity tracking. Todoist includes productivity tracking features such as karma points and productivity trends, helping users visualize their productivity habits and improve their efficiency. Cross-platform availability. Todoist is available across various platforms, including web, mobile, and desktop, ensuring users can access their tasks from anywhere.
In terms of pricing, Superlist offers a free plan with basic features, while its premium plans start at $4.99 per month. Todoist also offers a free plan with limited features, with premium plans starting at $3 per month. While Superlist premium plans may offer more advanced features, Todoist's pricing is slightly more affordable for users on a budget. Superlist provides a user-friendly interface with intuitive task organization features, making it easy for users to manage their tasks efficiently. On the other hand, Todoist excels in smart task capture and cross-platform availability, offering seamless task management across various devices and platforms. The pros of Superlist include its intuitive task organization, collaboration tools, advanced reminders, and integrations. However, it may have a steeper learning curve for new users. Todoist's pros include its smart task capture, project templates, productivity tracking, and cross-platform availability. Nevertheless, some users may find its free plan limitations restrictive.
alternatives to Superlist and Todoist include Asana, Trello, Microsoft To Do, and Wrike. Each alternative offers unique features and functionalities, catering to different user preferences and workflow requirements.
Choosing between Superlist and Todoist ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. While Superlist excels in task organization and collaboration, Todoist offers smart task capture and cross-platform availability. Consider your workflow and priorities to determine which product aligns best with your productivity goals.
Don't forget to check out the links in the description to sign up for your preferred productivity tool. Subscribe to EasyInternet for more software comparisons, productivity tips, and comprehensive how-tos. Thank you for watching.